Hello, these are some brief reflections on week one of Yellowdig. Please take a look at this quote. Notice that she says the groups decide what certain things mean. And I'd like to address that in a moment. Here's another quote from Kali. Now, I can tell you that having been a Royal Dutch Shell employee, where the working language was English because the teams were multicultural, that we actually took courses in how the Dutch think, and the Dutch would take a course in how Americans would think. Because you're right, we think differently. For example, at lunch, you don't make a business conversation with the Dutch, you simply eat. Here's another quote. And I want to end with this. Here I am in Thailand. What is Thainess? Thainess is determined by three items: the king, the nation, which is the military, and the country and religion. Those are the three main drivers of Thai culture. But in this photograph, we're up in the northern hill tribe mountains, and these are ethnic hill tribe individuals. They speak a different language, and hill tribe people speak different dialects. Here I am, here's a close buddy of mine. We speak English back and forth. And the amazing thing is, the only time he speaks English is when I go to visit once or twice a year. Yes, we determine the meaning of things. Well, I hope this 2-minute reflection has made you think.